So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log in to your Bitget wallet account. So guys, if you already have a Bitget wallet account and you want to log in, then this video is for you. So logging into Bitget account might be tricky because it does not say login directly, so you might not know how to log in. So you just need to open the Bitget app first, and you will be shown this page that says create wallet and import wallet. Since you already have a wallet, we're going to click on import wallet. Tap on I agree. Now guys, in order to import a wallet, you need to confirm that it's you. So you can do it through Google verification or your private key, hardware wallet. So choose one. So if you created your account through Google, then tap on Google. If you created through Apple, then tap on Apple. And if email, then email. And if Telegram, then Telegram. You can also choose to just type in your PIN code and you can directly log in. And now just go ahead and enter your private keys. And once you tap on confirm, you can directly log in to your Bitget account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.